Hi, in this video, I'm going to guide you through the VSight Workflow admin panel in order for you to start using your workflow successfully. First, go to workflow.vsight.io and log in with your admin credentials. Upon entering the platform, you will end up in the main page where you will have an overview of all of your workflows, will have the possibility to manage users, and view reports. Let's go back to the main page and review the information there. So in this section, you will see a list of all of your created workflows. First, you have the name and the creation date of your workflow. Then you will see its status and its version. Moving further, we have when the last edit to your workflow was made. And the last button is options. Once you click on this button, you will have the possibility to assign or remove users, edit your workflow, publish a draft version, view the published version of your workflow, and delete workflow. As you can see, VSight Workflow is very easy to navigate and use.